Today I'm near the Oregon coast on Highway 18, a few miles west of Sheridan, and I'm going to be riding Oregon's Highway 22, which goes between 18 and Hebo on Highway 101. This road is 25 wonderful serpentine miles of mostly great tarmac. It's a little patchy in spots, but nothing that I would call rough. Between the great big open sky, bright green fields, and tree-lined road running alongside burbling rivers, you are transported into an amazing riding experience right from the start. Turning off Highway 18, we are shown right away what to expect. Lots and lots of sweepers and amazing scenery. Not too long, and the open spaces give way to tree-lined sections that change the feel of the road to something more playful. This road encourages you to ride smoothly and surf through the corners, rolling on and off the throttle, never so tight and twisty that you're gasping for air. But that doesn't mean it's boring. Highway 22 lets you meander if you want, or crack the throttle a little and express your hooligan side. As you get to Hebo, you'll have the choice of which way to go on Highway 101, or simply turn around and do it all again. There are only so many sunny days every year in the Northwest. Make sure you put Highway 22 on your list. Ready for your own adventure? Grab any bike, pick any day, get out and ride.